Hey guys, today I got this. I think you already know its name is in the intro of the name. It's a bird enclosure. Do you know what this bird enclosure is going to be for? My cute little parakeets that I'm going to get on Monday. They're really adorable and I hope they don't be big. I like small parakeets because small parakeets are just adorable. So, yep, that's the small parakeets enclosure. Is this so cute? Oh, by the way, this is not a shirt, this is a jacket because it's comfy. And let me show you all the toys there is. So let me just put the camera on there. Okay, so I'm gonna open this thing that you open your enclosure for your birds. So let me show you all the toys. So we have a little bridge. We have a little thing, I don't know what it's called, a ringer thing. You got another one that's like a bridge, kind of. It's a thing that you like make a seesaw a little bit for your cute little birds. And also, look at this! Woo! I have a little seesaw I have a little rocking chair for them, and I also have a little other rocking chair, and I have a little bridge, and we have some little balls down there. Okay, so that's all my enclosure is, and I forgot some cute features to this. Oh, hold up. Let me get these things. Even if I'm not the bird, I'm still gonna grab these so I can show you guys. It's some little balls that I found right here. They make little sounds. That's cool. But anyways, guys, like and subscribe. Comment down below. What do you think about my enclosure? Anyways, bye.